Good morning. Welcome to Wayne's World Garage. Today we've got the Eastern Shore Threshermen and Collectors Association in Federaldsburg, Maryland, Part 2. If you like this, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thank you.
So next time we're complaining about our LG washing machine breaking, we should get the Easy washing machine patented in 1912. Or the Maytag from 1927. But look at this stuff. I don't even know if it's got, and you're actually washing stuff. Watch your fingers. There you go. And you guys collect washing machines, I guess. There you go. There's Grandpa telling us how to get telling Mama how to run the washing machine. She's never done that before. How's it doing? Good? Are they clean? You want to do my shirt?
Yeah. I'll do her shirt.
You're a smart guy. Do her shirt, not his shirt. You gonna start her up?
Huh?
You gonna start it up?
I'm gonna try to.
All right. Tell me about this thing. What is it?
It's a 1919 Economy, 2.5 horse, hit and miss.
Hit and miss. It's gonna hit this time though, right? No misses?
I don't know. It's on top of it.
There you go. Turn the fuel on. Suck, squeeze, bang, blow. That's all we need.
Check valve out. Got fuel running out of the tank. I ain't got nothing out of that.
Doggone it. No fuel. That's all right. Magneto's clicking away, so I imagine you got some spark.
Yeah, I'm assuming.
You got bang. Yeah, right. That's all you can do is assume. 2.5 horsepower. Probably weighs 1,000 pounds.
About 400.
400 or 500?
Yeah.
400. I will. Oh, so this thing's actually a tractor. This thing actually drives. The man's going to drive it around. He's got power steering? Probably not. Oh well, the Easy built tractor. With a hit or miss engine. When was this thing built?
I built it, but it's a copy of a 1913.
Okay, so you got the
engine's 1913.
The engine's 19. And how many horsepower is the engine?
4.
4 horsepower, Fairbanks Morse, hit or miss. And you welded it up, made the frame and transmission.
This was actually a picture out of a book. There was a real traction gear sold years ago. It was a kit tractor, do it yourself.
Oh, no kidding.
You buy this traction gear and put your own engine on, and your own wheels and your own frame.
You gonna take it for a spin?
Yeah, I got a few more bugs in it, but
all right,
I'm trying to get this is the first show I've had it at.
Well, good. What's your name, buddy?
Kevin Covey.
Kevin, thanks, man. Let her rip, Tater Chip. It looks like steering it is a treat. Actually, I don't know that it's working. 1913. Very cool. We clearly do not want to miss up on the wheel horses, and here's the whole row of wheel horse tractors. Kind of cool. Look at these old guys.
Okay, so now we're going to move on to some of the steam tractors and stationary steam engines. Pretty cool. It's what used to power America.
And here we go. This looks like a steam tractor. Don't like a locomotive. Probably don't want to get this thing running over your toes. It could hurt your toes. It's an Eclipse. So you know anything about this tractor you're driving?
Huh?
You know anything about this tractor?
Yeah.
What can you tell me about it?
I don't know.
You don't know. When was it made?
1950?
And it's powered by diesel fuel, right?
No.
No. What?
Coal.
Coal. Yeah, and the coal makes steam. It's a steam engine.
Yeah.
How many horsepower?
15.
Very good. How hard is this thing to steer?
Not too bad.
Not too bad, but it's quiet. You can't hear it running hardly.
Yeah.
Cool. You gonna take it off? All right, let her rip. sure he's got his driver's license yet, but he can drive a 10,000 pound tractor. There you go. Built like a locomotive. Most excellent. Nice. Here we are. We're in the steam engine area. Harrisburg Car Manufacturing. Harrisburg Car Company. Cool. It's probably older than all these kids put together. How you guys doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good. Only 2 known surviving patron steam engines in the world. That deserves a picture. Look at this thing. Harrisburg, built in the 1870s. Oh my God. 1880s.
You need to read it?
No. So what they've done is they've plumbed all these steam engines to the steam boiler over here, apparently. So that's what all these plumbing fittings are, is they can run them and turn them on one at a time. Now, how cool is that? Nice. Yep. They're running mills, shops, and canning houses, and anything else that needed power. Very cool. Okay, well, we did the John Deeres, we did the Olivers, we did the Internationals, did the Cases. They didn't have a lot of Alice Chalmers here, but it is a steam show, the Threshermen steam show from Federalsburg, and they've got a pile of steam engines here. Check this out, steam tractors. And these are probably all 100 years old. Here's another Frick tractor. I take it Frick was pretty popular. Well, because Pennsylvania is not too far from us. Another Frick. And this one's steaming up and ready to roll pretty soon. My God. Not sure I've ever seen. This is a nice little get together with all these tractors. Check this out. Another Frick. And this guy's pulling out right now. These are mostly Fricks. Look at the size of this thing. Look at the people on that thing. How many horsepower is this thing?
23 on the drawbar, 90 on the belt.
Wow, the belt's got a lot of horsepower.
Well, it's actually the tractor draws a lot of horsepower down.
Right. Yeah, well, because how much does this tractor weigh?
27,000.
27,000. You probably leave ruts in the dirt. Talk about soil compaction, huh? Thank you.
We didn't think about that back
No, we plowed it instead. Here's a little bit different one, the A.D. Baker from Swanton, Ohio. Another Frick Eclipse tractor. God, they got lots of tractors here that are steam powered. The Avery Company, Peoria, Illinois. Oh my God. 1908. This is when men were men and they built stuff with cast iron. They probably didn't have a whole lot of snowflakes, and if you were, you would melt very quickly in society in 1908.
Okay, well that wraps up part 2 of the Eastern Shore Threshermen's and Collectors Association Wheat Threshing Steam and Gas Engine Show that we were at Friday, August 6th. The next part of this will be their Frick tractor powering their Frick sawmill. How cool is that? So thanks for watching. If you like this again, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up.